Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So a very happy Independence Day to all my friends and subscribers. So on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, I will be giving you a list of the best skincare brands and products which are available in India. So I feel that we have the best skincare products and they're really effective. And for me, they work really very well because they are amazing products. Yeah. So I have tried to include the products which are easily available and they are really value for money and pocket friendly. So let's get started. So I will be showing you the face washes, the moisturizers, face cream, eye cream and serum and lip balm. So let's get started one by one. So friends, let's start with the soap. So this is Patanjali Haldi Chandan soap. This cleanses and purifies the skin. So I have been using this soap for many years and I really like it. It's really good for the skin. And this is easily available in Patanjali stores. And this is for rupees 18. Really value for money and really good products. So I really like this. They have many more soaps in their category. They have aloe vera soap, neem soap. So you can try other options also. Every soap by Patanjali are really good. So the next one is this Biotique Bio Morning Nectar soap. So this will give you visibly flawless cream bathing bar. So this is also a very good soap. So I have been using this since many years. So this has the goodness of neem seed, badam seed, surajmukhi, yeah, haldi. So this is very good for your skin. So this is a organic product. It's preservative free, dermatologically tested, and this is easily available in the Biotique store or offline. This is how the product looks like. So friends, these were the soaps. Now let's start with the face washes. So this is Vico turmeric face wash. This I have been using since many years and I really like it. This has the goodness of turmeric. Also this is very good for pimple prone skin, acne prone skin. Also it is helpful if you have some cuts or boils. It stops your bleeding. So this is a very good product. I really like it. Really recommend this to all. So next is one more popular face wash. This is Himalaya purifying face wash. We all know this is really good. It has the goodness of neem and turmeric. This is available in many packaging. Yeah, so this face wash is also really good. Really like this. And then we have this Medimix Ayurvedic anti-pimple face wash. This face wash has the goodness of neem, aloe vera, turmeric, and manjista, and this is good for pimple-free, glowing skin. So really like this face wash also. Really like it. Next face wash I have is this Mamaearth Upton face wash with the goodness of turmeric and saffron. This face wash is really good for tan removal. Really liking it. You can definitely go for this product with closed eyes. This has paraben and SLS free. Very good product. You can definitely give this a try. Suitable for all skin types, dermatologically tested. Friends, the next face wash is this Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiant Skin Lightening Face Wash. So this will give you immediate instant brightening effect. This is a really good face wash. You can give it a try. This is also easily available online and offline. So you can definitely give this a try. Really good product. So now let's start with the eye cream. So I would recommend this Mamaearth Bye Bye Dark Circles eye cream. This has cucumber and peptides. This is really good if you use continuously. This will definitely give you good results. Silicone and paraben free, suitable for all skin types. You can definitely give it a try. Friends, now let's start with the face creams. This is Himalaya Natural Glow Kesar face cream. This has the goodness of alfalfa and saffron. This is a very good cream, easily available online and offline. You can definitely give this a try. This will give you visible results. Yeah, so this is a really good cream. You can definitely give this a try. So the next I would like to suggest this cream. This is really good Ayurvedic natural cream, and all the members of the family can use this cream. This is really good and effective. It doesn't have any side effects on your skin. You can definitely give this a try. Really good product. We all know the Vico turmeric cream. This cream has the goodness of sandalwood oil, and this is really good for acne prone skin. It prevents your pimples and acne and burns. It nourishes the skins, improves the skin tonal value, makes it beautiful. Yeah, so really like this product. I've been using this since many years. Really like it and recommend this Vico turmeric skin cream. Then next I would like to recommend this Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiant Skin Cream. This is also a really good skin cream. You can definitely give this a try. So friends, now let's start with the moisturizers. So this is Biotique Bio Morning Nectar. This is a really good moisturizer. You can definitely give this a try. Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Moisturizing Cream. This cream is really good. It's suitable for very dry skin people. So this cream will also give you good results. Must buy product. Then this is Dabur Gulabri Moisturizing Cold Cream with the goodness of natural rose oil. So you can definitely give this a try. Easily available in the local market. Then friends, I would like to give you a suggestion of a face serum, which is this Roop Mantra. This has the goodness of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, shea butter, mulberry extract. Really good serum. You can definitely give this a try. I really like it. Have been using this. Friends, these are the lip balms which are really value for money. This is the Biotique Biofruit Whitening Lip Balm. This gives a red tint to your lips. Really good lip balm. Really liking it. And this is the Himalaya Non-Tinted Lip Balm. This is also really good and really value for money. So friends, that was all. If you like my video, give it a big thumbs up, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye friends, and once again a very happy Independence Day to all. Bye. Take care everyone.